Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your outfit into anything with AI for free. Okay, for today's video guys, we're going to use Pippit AI. So first of all, you can visit Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account. And you will earn free credits, but for creating an image, we don't need credits, so it's completely free. Okay, you can go to the home menu and choose the image feature. Then you're going to upload your photo that you want to change the outfit. Okay, I'm going to use this photo and I'm going to make this woman wearing a white wedding dress. Okay, I'm going to send the prompt to the AI. Wait, it's still loading. Okay guys, and these are the results. Then you can choose the best one that you like. For me, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, we can click on the download and you can remove the watermark like this. I'm gonna download this one as well. Okay, that's super easy. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your outfit into anything with AI for free using Pippit AI. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the join link on my YouTube description guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.